Want to start a successful online hair business with a little upfront investment? I'll show you exactly how to start your own dropshipping hair company and just a few easy steps. So let's dive in. Hi, my name is Terry, and today I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to launch your own dropshipping hair company, like marketing, finding suppliers, setting up your store, and scaling. So let's jump into it. Step 1 will be choosing your niche. Start by narrowing down the type of hair products you want to sell. Will it be wigs, bundles, or even hair accessories? The more specific you get, the easier it will be to target your audience. Even look at competitors just to be sure. Step 2 is finding your vendor. Use platforms like DSER and AliExpress to find hair suppliers who offer dropshipping. Make sure they have a good reputation, high quality products, and fast shipping. And you can always order samples just to be sure to check the quality of the item. So step 3 will be business name and logo. If you're having trouble coming up with a business name, I suggest using Shopify business name generator. It is free. So what you'll pretty much do is just type in the type of business you want and it will give you a name for you. So let's just say you want to sell only curly hair wigs. So that's what I typed in. And it's going to think for me and it's going to generate, and then it's going to give me a whole bunch of business names like URLs that I could use. So here you see a few names. I am going to pick one of these just for example. Let's just say Curly Hair Dreams. Right here, Curly Hair Dreams. I'll go back to Canva and then I'll just make a name. You can even buy the domain on Shopify, but I'm going to just use a Canva template and just type in curly hair and dreams. And you can even use logos on Canva to make your logo for your business. And of course, Canva is free, but Pro is always recommended because Canva sometimes be a little stingy, you know. Step 4 will be to create your online store. Of course, I'm going to recommend Shopify. If you are dropshipping, you should definitely use Shopify because like I said, they do have plug-in, apps you can sync with to dropship like DSER, which is AliExpress. But if you were to click start free trial, they do have a free trial. So I'm just going to show you their pricing. So they do have, you can start for free and then enjoy your first month for $1. So that is a cool deal that they do have. And then this is their current plans. Usually most people start with the basic $29 a month, and that is more than enough to get you started. You could just start there. Hey there, entrepreneurs. If you're looking to start a Shopify dropshipping store but don't know where to begin, I've got you covered. I do offer pre-built Shopify hair stores that are ready to go, saving you time and helping you hit the ground running. No need to spend weeks setting up things. Everything from the design to the products is done for you. All you need to do is launch and start selling. So if you're serious about taking your hair business to the next level, link in the description. Step 4 is price your products. Factor in the cost of the product, the shipping, and any platform fees when setting up your prices, and ensure there's a good profit margin. Round prices to $29.99 instead of $30 to create a more attractive offer. Step 5 is payments and shipping. So link your store to payment processors like PayPal or Shopify Payments for secure transactions. Also, be clear on your shipping policies of how long it'll take. Step 6 is marketing your business. So of course, use Instagram and TikTok, which will be banned soon. They're perfect for visual products like hair. Post regularly, use hashtags, and collaborate with influencers. You can run ads as well. Create tutorials or how-to videos showing how to style the wigs. Step 7 will be customer service and scaling. So respond promptly to customer inquiries. And you can even, once you start seeing consistent sales, you can start expanding your product range. You can even start buying wholesale so that way you can really brand your business. Now, I will be doing a part 2 of this video, which is pretty much answering any questions you may have. So leave all your questions in the comments. Starting a dropshipping hair company takes time, but with the right strategies, you can create a sustainable, profitable business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips to grow your business. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.